This video we will see the product review of Samsung Galaxy S25 5G AI smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy S25 5G is the latest flagship smartphone from Samsung, packed with advanced AI features, 5G connectivity and sleek design. It is designed to offer a premium experience for tech lovers, gamers and professionals. Now we will see key features of this smartphone. This smartphone display has 6.2-inch Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X and it has 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate for smooth visuals. Processor is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset, which ensure fast and efficient performance. This smartphone comes with 12 GB RAM with 128 GB, 256 GB or 512 GB storage options to suit for various needs. This smartphone has triple rear cameras, 50 MP main camera, 12 MP ultra-wide camera, 10 MP telephoto camera and 12 MP front camera. This smartphone equipped with 4000 mAh battery and it supports 25-watt wired charging and 15-watt wireless charging. This smartphone runs with Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7, featuring enhanced AI capabilities. This smartphone incorporates Now Brief for personalized daily updates and audio eraser to remove unwanted sounds from the videos. This smartphone supports 5G connectivity. You can enjoy super fast internet speeds for streaming, gaming and downloading. This smartphone comes with IP68 water and dust resistance, which offers protection against dust and water, which ensure device longevity. This smartphone support 5G, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 and it supports fast internet and enhanced wireless connections. This smartphone has a sleek and lightweight design. Weight is 162 grams for easy handling. This smartphone has enhanced security and audio. This smartphone features in-display fingerprint sensor and stereo speakers tuned by AKG. Now we will see pros of this smartphone. First point is enhanced performance. The new processor offers significant improvements in speed and efficiency. Next point is AI features. Innovative AI tools enhance user experience like personalized briefing and advanced video editing. Next point is design. Sleeker and lighter design compared to previous models. Cons of this smartphone. First point is incremental upgrades. Some users feel the updates are modest compared to the previous models. Second point is high price point. The premium features comes with a significant cost. What are the customer positive feedbacks? Users appreciate the smooth performance, vibrant display and useful AI features. The design improvements and extended software support have also received praise. In United States, the price starts at $799 for 128 GB model. In India, the price starts at 80,999 for 128 GB model.